All right, I have here the hand truck. I am waiting for UPS freight truck to come. I have a new piece of equipment for the shop, and I'm thinking I'm going to set it up right over there. So from there, that corner of that shelf, to the grinder. Hopefully. It may seem like this thing's in a way, but I only use this pline for a few things, so it's not a problem. That's detachable. I can always cut it, but I just made it extra long. That way I can make some big blades on there in the future if I desire to or not. But I'm pretty excited because it's going to change things around here. I had to change the location of the other drill, which is down there for now, behind that blue container. I don't know what I'm going to do with this setup over here. I got a lot to think about. I definitely want to leave the grinder here. So yeah, I'm over here waiting for the freight truck. Not only am I waiting for it, I'm not just physically doing nothing. I'm actually going to be working on this one and working on that one. I also have another one to work on there. And another thing I got to do. See this heat treating oven? Yeah. Well, I was heat treating the other day, maybe about 4 days ago. And look what happened to the plug. Yep. Not pretty. Alright, new tool in the shop. Actually pretty excited about this. It should bring my knife making to the next level. We'll see. Alright, test 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, let's open this up. Bottom one's a little tight. Still got it. 2 more. Double wrapped over here. Hold on. Go on this side. Last one. Yeah. All right. Let me get these out of the way. Actually, don't want to get cut. Alright, let me go get a hammer. Holy shit, this thing is tiny. Yeah, this thing is tiny, guys. Holy shit. That back there. There it is. The mini mill. How many of you guessed right? Alright, looks like I gotta clean it up. Got kind of shit to do. Let me go clear out my bench, and I'm gonna put that sucker right on top of that. I'm gonna manhandle that bastard. That thing weighs nothing. So here's its new home for now. Some goodies to clean with, tools, wrenches, etc. First thing I'm going to do is wipe all this down. So I'm about to turn it on for about 10 minutes at low speed. Let's do it. I'm gonna break her in. Let's do this. So I have here, it's on low. Okay, it's on low. I'm gonna let that run for 10 minutes. Alright, took my first cut with the machine just a little while ago. Look at that. It's working out pretty good. I had these already. I have 2 of these here. I guess they're surface cutters. I still gotta buy a whole shitload. It's crazy. It's gonna be non-stop. Another thing I don't like is this vise. This is a temporary vise. I got a Harbor Freight temporary bolt, so obviously you don't want it this high. But we'll see. I don't know. Is this vise even good? You guys tell me. But I am looking for another one. But I want to pay used price, not a new one, because I already spent quite a bit into this, and I still got to get a whole shitload of bits for the knife making. So this video, I'm just going to show you a little clip of me doing this here. And I'm learning, so don't laugh at me. Okay, that goes up. Turn it on. Not bad. I'm impressed. So far. Alright. It's time to clean up and start doing some online research. First cuts. Right on there. Sweet. Appreciate everyone coming in, checking out this quick video. Guys and gals, have a good one. Until the next one, cheers. I'm out of here. On to the next project we go.